Today we are making fried rice. Woo-hoo! And I'm going to use my wok. That's just for you guys. No, it's not. If you don't have a wok and you still want to make fried rice, no problem. Use your biggest skillet that you've got. And we're going to use the wok and we're going to get going. Okay, my wok is on high. And in goes a little bit of vegetable oil. All right. Now, when that vegetable oil is really good and hot, that's when we're going to start adding our onion. All right. And when you're working with a wok, you need to have, I've seen this done and I've tried it myself. And believe me, this is really the truth. When you are using your wok, make sure that you have everything that you are going to possibly need or is going to go into the wok ready and at your fingertips. All right. So now, okay, one of the things that I have found when you're using a wok is you want to keep stuff moving quickly. All right, we're just going to keep this moving around in here. We're waiting for these onions to be translucent. When they're pretty clear, then they're ready. All right, they're mostly translucent and taking on color, and that's what we want. All right, scoop that right out into a reserve dish. No, sorry, I can't do that backwards. I can't do that one backwards. There, a little bit more vegetable oil, and into that is going to go our veg. We're doing just a little bit of peas and carrots. Okay, we're going to hit those with just a teensy bit of soy sauce, just to flavor those up. And then that is also going to go into our reserve bowl. A little bit more oil down, little bit, and in goes our beaten egg. And we're just gonna knock that egg around there. It cooks so fast, you guys, so fast. And then that's gonna come out also to our bowl. Okay, next thing down, a little bit of oil, and then in goes our rice. You guys, I have found through trial and error that the leftover rice is the way to go. Flavor that with some soy sauce. Oh yeah. And we're going to hit that with a little bit, just a little bit of sesame oil. And on sesame oil, it is a very highly concentrated flavor, so a little goes a long way. Okay, we're going to turn that burner off, add our veg back. Give that a good toss. and finish with some scallion. Oh, and some sesame seed. I almost forgot. One of my favorite things. Not very many. About 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and of course that's optional, you guys. So is the scallion, all that's optional. Do it the way you want. Do it the way you want. And there you go. Fried rice. And you're done. Okay guys, going in for a taste test. Banging. That is just the right amount of salt. And you see that I did not add any salt to that. All that salt came from the soy sauce. Now, at this point in time, people will dress it the way they want. If they want extra soy sauce, or maybe some fresh cracked pepper on that or whatever, or maybe some chili sauce, they can do that now. But as far as it being done and ready for the table, we got it. All right, you guys, you got to give this a try. You saw how easy it is. You guys, let me know how this works out for you. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do that. We are loving bringing you these favorite recipes of our house to yours. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.